The 7th edition of the ALAGHODARO Golf Tournament, wey dem play on Saturday for Benin Golf Course, end on glorious note for Edo State second family. Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu and wife Comrade MaryAnn Shaibu come out as overall winners of the men and women special guest golf tournament respectively, as Comrade Shaibu win overall winner trophy for men, while his wife Comrade MaryAnn Shaibu win that of women. Shaibu come talk say im dey grateful to Baba God sake of say him and his wife come out as overall winners for the VVIP categories, and say im dedicate this trophy to the good people of Edo State wey stand by this government for the last 7 years, and say body sweet and wella for the support of Edo people.
This trophy for winning the 2023 Govunor ALAGHODARO Golf Tournament, and not just Philip Shaibu winning it alone. My wife also won her category, and that makes me really excited. Husband and wife winning trophy. I think these are signs to all of us that good things are on their way. And by the grace of God, dedicate this to Edo people that are praying for me and that watched me grow to this level and still want me to grow. So this cup is dedicated to Edo people and to the entire state, because this trophy means a lot to me. To win the last edition of Governor's Cup, something great, and not just winning it alone. My wife also winning. It's a sign of good things to come.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Kata Ojisali, TMC TV News.